I'm Clifford Ackman with Biotech Pest Management. Our customers have been curious and asking how we go about performing our services and getting rid of pests. And so we decided to put together this series of videos to kind of highlight and show you guys exactly what we do to get rid of pests at customers' homes. Generally, insects, including grain beetles, are attracted to sunlight, the glare that is coming in from these windows. And so you have some of these guys moving around. So these are grain beetles. But also, in combination with the grain beetles, are also what we call varied carpet beetles. And those ones are the multicolored ones like these. Right? They feed on like flour, they feed on rice, they feed on corn. Basically grain, both in the powder form or in the solid form. Then the brown one, these right here, are the regular grain beetles. As you can see, they come here and then the spiders set up shop to eat them. And that's why they're dead. Of course, we have some house flies there, we have some stink bugs here, all attracted to the sunlight. We have to find the source of infestation, which is what led us down to the basement, which we'll go next. So our customer is from West Africa. And so I'm gonna show us where these guys are living and where they're breeding. As you can see, in this bag. So she ordered these products from Africa, and the product came infested with these beetles. And if you look in these bags, you see hundreds of those things in them. See, they made holes in these bags. They made all these holes. Of course, we're gonna have to eliminate all of these. So these were fine flowers, and they built this whole thing or cake together, and they kind of live in them. So basically, identifying the source of why they're here was number one. So when I saw this, I was able to highlight this to the customer, and then of course all of this stuff is gonna have to be removed. These are area treated around the window areas, the baseboards, and then of course upstairs would have to be treated because they begin to spread. And if you notice these things flying around, try to find the source of where they're nesting, and then of course get a professional to come, do an inspection for you and treat it right away before it gets out of hand. Closed containers, airtight containers, good idea to store flour, grain foods, rice, corn, stuff like that to prevent things from becoming infested. What we're gonna have to do is get rid of the source of the infestation. So all these different items like we told the customer, we're gonna have to get rid of them all. And so we're gonna treat today, which is gonna include a spray of the perimeter areas, also the source area where the food has been sitting with some aerosols, and then we're gonna come and spray the baseboard area with non-repellent our products as well. These are eco-friendly products that has been sourced out, can be safely used at our customers' homes. And we go from there. We start today, we set up another appointment to come back, take a look at things, see where things are, retreat, come back a third time, and then retreat to make sure that everything is completely eliminated. So that's the process we go through: identifying the problem, solving the problem, and extending the warranty for the customer to prevent the problem from happening again in the future.